In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post to Substack homepage. Pinning a post is a great way to highlight a welcome note, a featured article, or any piece you want visitors to see first. It keeps that post at the top of your publication's homepage, so it doesn't get buried as you publish new content. First, open your browser and head to the Substack website. You can use any modern browser on desktop or mobile, but desktop makes navigation a bit easier for this task. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In button, typically at the top right. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your publication area. If not, click Sign In. Next, enter the email address associated with your Substack account and complete the sign-in process. Substack often uses a secure sign-in link sent to your inbox rather than a traditional password, so keep your email tab handy. If you manage multiple publications under the same account, be mindful of which one is active after you sign in. After you're in, go to your dashboard. You can reach it from the top navigation or by opening your profile menu and selecting Dashboard. This is your control center for posts, settings, and analytics. From here, choose Posts to see your published pieces. If you have more than one publication, confirm you're viewing the correct one before continuing. Now decide which post you want to pin. If you have a lot of content, you can use the search or filters to find it quickly. Pinning is best used for something evergreen, like a welcome post or a foundational article that introduces your work to new readers. Note that the pin option typically appears for published posts, and visibility may vary slightly depending on your layout or theme. Once you've identified the post, open its options, look for a control labeled Pin to Homepage and click it. You should see a confirmation or a small indicator showing that the post is now pinned. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your homepage to verify the placement. Only one post is usually pinned at a time. Pinning a new one will replace the previous pin. If you change your mind later, return to the same menu and choose Unpin or a similar option to remove it. That's it. You went to Substack, signed in, opened your dashboard, selected your post, and chose Pin to Homepage. This simple tweak helps guide readers to the most important content the moment they land on your publication.